Let us take one more example of function point analysis. Now we have to compute the function point, productivity, documentation, cost per function of this data. The data, the first 5 is basically the input parameters, the information domain, 24, 46, 8, 4, 2. This we are going to take as the input domain. Then the effort is given 36.9% month. Technical documents are 265 pages. User document 122 pages, and cost is $7,744 per month. Now various processing complexity factors are also given. Now you see these are the complexity factors already given. So there are 14 complexity factors between 0 and 5. This is already given to us. So number of external inputs, EI, is, because user input is external input. So what is the number? 24. What is the number of external outputs, which is the user output? So we are going to put 46 here. Number of external inquiries, which is the number of inquiries, we are going to put 8. Number of internal files, which is number of files, which is going to be 4. Number of external interfaces, EI, what it will be? This will be number of external interfaces 2. Now let us assume, for example, this is a pre-made empirical values. I'm not going to use it. I'm just saying that for this particular product, this particular project, the numbers for, say, the average values are 4, 4, 6, 10, 5. I've just changed the numbers. This is for average. This box is just for example. I'm saying for this particular project, the numbers have changed. So 4, 4, 6, 10, 5. So what we'll do? 2 into 4, 96. 46 into 4, 184. 8 into 6, 48. 4 into 8, 40. 2 into 5 is 10. So these values have come. Now we are going to add them. And this is going to be count total. 378. And now we need to find sigma fi also. So count total is known. How do we know sigma fi? Because already the values are given. We don't have to give the number from 1 to 14. Otherwise we would have given 0 to 5 ordinals value to each of these 14 value, and then we would have just added them. So these are all values 4, 1, 5 like this given, already given in the question. So we'll just add them. So when we add them, we get 43. So don't go into the computation detail, just know how we do it. 43 is there. Count total is 378. Then we know the formula 0.65 plus 0.1 into sigma fi. Sigma fi is simply 43. Now 378 here, just put it, you get 408. Now this is the function points. Now you have to compute the productivity. What is the productivity? Productivity is simply the function point divided by the effort. Function point is 408. Effort is 36.9% month. Divide them. What do you get? 11.1. So this is the 11.1 value is productivity. Then the documentation. For that we have to add the technical document as well as the user document. So you have 265 plus 122. Just add them. These are going to be the number of pages. And what is the documentation? The number of pages of the documentation divided by the function point. So what do you get? Just divide them. 387 by 408. This is going to be 0.94. So this is 0.94 for documentation. Now coming to the cost per function. And this is simply computed by cost divided by the productivity. So the cost total given is 7,744 per month and divided by the productivity 11.1, which we already computed. That already first thing we computed. So that will be $700. This is how we compute the function matrix.